thought you were going to turn. You can't slow down like that and not do anything, Guy. You're going to hold up traffic.
I want candy.
I think he's drunk.
He's just old.
He's drunk.
He's not drunk.